Keto butter chicken. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 15 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients. 100 grams chicken breast, diced. 10 grams minced garlic. 10 grams minced shallots. 5 grams minced ginger. 2 teaspoons curry powder. 2 teaspoons tomato paste. 1 tablespoon butter. 2 tablespoons heavy cream. 1/2 cup chicken stock. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Procedure. 1. Melt butter in a pan. 2. Add ginger, garlic and shallots. Sautee until aromatic. 3. Add tomato paste and curry powder. Roast for about a minute. 4. Add chicken stock and bring to a simmer. 5. Add chicken pieces and simmer for 10 minutes. 6. Add heavy cream and simmer until thick. 7. Top with fresh cilantro. Nutritional information. Energy 395 kilocalories. Protein 23 grams 25%. Fat 29 grams 67%. Carbohydrates 9 grams 8%. Fiber 3 grams.